Hey guys, so if you want to see how we made this delicious Peruvian dish, just keep on watching and welcome to another video with Peruvian. Okay guys, so one of the ingredients you might not be able to find here in the US is the palillo, but I'm showing you here next to the palillo on the left side, the turmeric. That's what you can use as a replacement. And the meat that we're using for this dish is seitan chicken. We found it at ShopRite. Okay, over high heat, place 150 milliliters of olive oil into our pot and let it warm.
Ya pasaron los 12 minutos y vamos a incorporar la cebolla.
About 3 minutes have passed and now we add our onions.
Es importante que esté caliente y darle el tiempo a cada ingrediente que vamos a ir incorporando para que tome el gusto. De eso se trata la comida peruana. Tener paciencia y darle su tiempo a todos los ingredientes para que cojan y frían bien. Bueno, vamos a dejar un poquito que se fría.
So once we see that our onions have turned a golden color, it is time to add the garlic. Add the yellow pepper paste. Time to add our palillo or turmeric. Now just adding the rest of the spices such as the black pepper, the cumin, and then we're gonna add our oregano and our salt to taste. For this dish and all our dishes, especially when we are frying our onions and adding into our rest of our spices and especially the garlic, make sure that you're stirring your mix constantly because otherwise it will get burned. So make sure that you are stirring constantly just like you see my mom doing it here. Time to add our white potatoes. First, add the white potatoes. For this recipe, we need 3 cups of water, but we're gonna be adding in 2 cups of water first, and then as we go, we're gonna be adding the rest of water if needed.
Ok, término medio, vaya sancochando nuestra papa. O podemos subirlo al máximo para que se sancoche más rápido, depende del apuro de ustedes, ok. Igual va a cocinar pero más lento. Vamos a ponerlo nosotros en fuego alto. No he incorporado todavía la carne vegana o el pollo vegano, perdón, porque el pollo vegano cocina muy rápido, no necesita cocción prolongada. Así que al final le vamos a echar. Ya eché la papita, el agua, la papa roja, la María está esperando aquí. Todavía no la he echado.
La María está ahí. We do the white potatoes first and then the yellow potatoes because the yellow potatoes cook really fast. Okay, so do the white ones first and then the yellow potatoes. Let our potatoes cook, simmer for 10 minutes. So we're showing you here the type of rice that we like to purchase. This is a Carolina, I'm pretty sure it's from the Jasmine brand, which that is the brand that we love to buy, but this one is Carolina. You know, it comes in different colors, like there's like a green package, orange package, but we like this purple little bag, it's nice, it's okay. So we're setting aside how much we're gonna use. Remember, 2 cups of rice. If you're gonna be cooking 2 cups of rice, you are gonna be needing 2 cups of water as well to cook it. Now my mama here is adding a couple of splashes. We cannot give you an exact quantity just because some days we use more, some days we use less olive oil. So what you see here is what you can use, a couple of splashes of olive oil. Okay, it's been 10 minutes, so it is time now to add our yellow potatoes. Add the green peas. Let it simmer for 10 minutes. 10 more minutes, just like we did before, and then we're gonna come back at it and check again. Now our olive oil should be warm enough to add in our garlic.
Y procedemos, sobramos el ajo, ya calentó un poco el aceite y procedemos a mover y que se mezcle el aceite con el ajo y esperaremos a que se fría. Siempre al tanto, por favor, porque el ajo tiende.
Keep an eye on the garlic because it is easy for it to burn. It burns really fast. Now set aside the amount of water that you're gonna be needing. So right here we need 2 cups of water because we're gonna be cooking 2 cups of rice. Okay, it's been like 2 minutes. My mom is adding some salt. She's adding, I think she's about to show half teaspoon or half tablespoon. Let me see, half tablespoon. Yeah.
Así que voy a ir probando después cómo está la sal, pero por mientras estamos incorporando y van a ver que más rápido fríe el ajo. Siempre estén controlándolo que no se queme, por favor. No se descuiden.
Okay, now that we see our garlic turning a golden color, it's time to add the water, and we finally add our rice and let the rice maker work its magic. Remember, my mom only added half a tablespoon, but now she's about to be adding more salt. So, you know, salt to taste, okay? So, whatever you like, we like a little bit more salt. Remember that we still have 1 cup of water left, so that's what we're adding right here. we're adding in our last cup of water. Stir constantly, and now we're about to add our seitan chicken. And this seitan chicken, I thought it was gonna be a great idea, and it was a great idea. My mom was amazed with the texture, because for the ones who don't know, my mom is not plant-based, but she does eat and cooks plant-based, but she doesn't eat it on a daily basis because her husband is not vegan, so she wants to keep him company. But anyways, my mom was amazed with the texture of this seitan chicken, so it is perfect for this tripe-stew. As disgusting as it sounds, it's not tripe, it is plant-based tripe, okay? So right here my mom is about to be adding into more salt because we like our foods with lots of salt. Okay, I don't know.
Vamos a proceder a probar. Ya, sí, con media cucharadita basta, ¿eh? Y ahora lo tapamos. Y esperamos unos minutos más.
Let this simmer for about 10 minutes and add the parsley 2 minutes before the 10 minutes are completed. And then our dish is done. So our plate is finally done. This is what it looks like, and this is how we decided to present it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching.